Okay, so before we start, I'm thinking you probably might have two questions, because a lot of people asked me about it before. One is why I made it static, and two, why it's on the game manager and not inside the move script, the tracer for checking the tracer boolean. One, on a networking point of view, if for example, let's say I shoot the tracer to somebody else and I got killed, the tracer will be out. So there wouldn't be a way to kind of turn it off. You could try it, like checking before you die on your own scripts, but it might not work very well. And what if you actually log off the game? So that's why we're doing it on the game manager. And then second thing of all, public static. Static, that means instead of saying get component of a different script, we can just literally just call game manager dot the name of the variable. And it calls it straight in. Game manager, this script is probably going to run locally on our own side, not in the whole, not everybody's going to be running that. So now where we shoot our tracer, if we go up in here, so if input dot get button down, and then after it we're gonna say and game manager dot tracer out does equals false. So if it's false, then we're gonna shoot it out, and then we're gonna say right here at the bottom, game manager dot tracer out equals true. So first we're making it true right when we shoot it. So if you go ahead and play it, so now if I right click a whole bunch of times, I can't shoot out anymore. Okay? So now we're gonna go ahead and make a new script for the tracers. So right here where it says bullet scripts, pretty much those are the scripts for all the bullets. Create C# script, and then I'm gonna call it tracer. Click on my tracer prefab and drag that script on it. Now one thing we want to do is go up and go on tag, and then we're going to add a new tag and we're going to call it tracer, because that's how our objects are going to find that tracer. Click on the tracer, make sure the tag it does says tracer. And then yes, the layer says rocket, even though the rockets they can't hit each other since it's already set up that way. The tracers won't hit each other; they won't tag each other. That'll be kind of weird. So you shooting it out, they just shouldn't be able to shoot anymore. Okay, so now, and then nobody will be able to blow it up if you try to shoot it with a regular bullet. I'm gonna go ahead and open up my tracer object. So what we can do first to make sure, so if I open up my bullet damage real quick, come on. Okay, we're gonna do on collision enter. Okay, so after the update, we're gonna do a void on collision enter. And then it's going to be type collision, and then we're going to name it other. So if other dot rigidbody, so if the other object that we're attaching to is going to be a rigidbody, we're going to say destroy get component rigidbody. So we're gonna destroy our rigidbody. If we don't do that, when we parent to that other object, our tracer won't actually attach properly. It will still be moving because it's still using the rigidbody physics. So we don't want to use the physics. Okay. So if you test it out, you're gonna see that once you shoot it out, your tracer might not actually move right away anymore. And obviously we have to hit a rigidbody. See, so it got stuck there. So now we need to parent it to that asteroid. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video.